Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best rear view car DVR. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Red Tiger F7NP. Specifications: aperture f1.55, maximum video frame rate 30, view angle 130 to 170, camera resolution 3840 by 2160, video format MP4, number of lenses 1, imaging sensor Sony IMX335, pixels 1800 mega. Display size 3-5. Chipset manufacturer Silicon. Weight 0.7 kilograms. Number 4 on our list is 12 inches 4K dash cam. Specifications: brand name is Friday. Chipset manufacturer Rackship. Frames per second 25. View angle 105 degrees minus 140 degrees. Camera resolution 3840 by 2160. Video code H.265. Number of lenses 2. Pixels 800 mega. Interface AVN, micro SD/DF. Number 3 on our list is Togard 12 inches car DVR mirror dash cam. Specifications: brand name Togard. Aperture f1.8. Maximum video frame rate 30. Camera resolution 3840 by 2160. Number of lenses 2. Imaging sensor Sony IMX335. Display size 11.88 inches. Chipset manufacturer Silicon. Number 2 on our list is Blue Avito 12 inches car rear view mirror camera. Specifications: brand name Blue Avito. Maximum video frame rate 25 fps. Rear camera yes. Screen ratio 16:9. View angle 170 degrees. Camera resolution 1920 by 1080. Number of lenses 2. Imaging sensor Sony IMX323. Pixels 1200 mega. Display size 12 inch. Chipset manufacturer Spreadtrum SL8541E. System Android 8.1. Front camera resolution 1280 by 720. Number 1 on our list is DS Fong 360 cam. Specifications: brand name DS Fong. Display IPS. Screen ratio 16:9. View angle 140 degrees minus 170 degrees. Camera resolution 1920 by 1080. Number of lenses 4. Imaging sensor GC4653. Pixels 500 mega. Chipset manufacturer MStar. Dash cam model DS Fong M8S. Image sensor GC4653 plus G.C. 2053.